Tracking labels verified. This cotton shipment is cleared for production.
The fiber consistency is within target parameters. Excellent. Proceed to the next stage.
Batch 42A fiber concentration stabilizing. Good. Maintain agitation speed for another 10 minutes.
We need to verify the air pressure seals on this unit. Fluctuations could compromise the cleanroom environment.
Understood. I'll initiate the diagnostic sequence from the panel.
Ensuring the removal of these microscopic impurities is critical at this stage. Absolutely, it guarantees the durability and consistency of the 1000 kroner paper.
Formation quality looks stable.
Agreed, the thickness is consistent across the web.
Everything is green across the board. Uniformity is perfect.
Agreed. The new extraction settings are working. Pressure levels look consistent across all assemblies. Good. The tensile strength readings are stabilizing right on target.
Look at the watermark integrity on batch NP45. It's slightly off standard. Adjusting the tension now. Recalibrating sensor array 3. Tension levels holding steady at 200 kPa. Good. The 1000 batch is clear for winding. Check the consistency on sheet 42. There's a slight deviation here.
I see it. Rerunning the optical scan now.
Compare the layout data against the production standards here.
Alignment tolerances are verified. It looks good for engraving.
Using precision engraving systems, we create microstructures nearly impossible to reproduce, securing the new 1000 kroner note.
Parameters are holding steady.
Excellent. Initiating final blending phase.
Verified. The color matches the reference exactly.
The viscosity is stable at 86.5 centipoise.
Okay, that aligns with the production specifications. Initiate transfer.
Thermal readings on dryer section 3 are holding steady. Good. Let's maintain this feed rate to ensure consistent moisture removal. These intricate maritime-inspired guilloche structures become a defining component of Norway's 1000 NOK banknote security.
The watermark is permanently embedded within the paper structure, establishing a critical anti-counterfeit feature during this vital security milestone in banknote paper manufacturing.
Automated correction systems make continuous adjustments to maintain perfect synchronization, preserving the visual quality and security features of the 1000 NOK banknote.
The automated inspection confirms color density and sharpness. We are clear for the next stage. Acknowledged. Preparing for intaglio printing.
The ink application is perfect, maintaining the specified violet and purple consistency. Excellent. The maritime details are crisp and accurate on this sample.
The registration looks perfect on the Viking ship.
Yeah?
And the raised ink? Check the tactile details near the lighthouse.
Crisp. Everything's holding.
Norway's 1,000 kroner notes feature advanced anti-counterfeit technology, integrating metallic foil into the maritime design.
We had one rejection here due to a substrate inconsistency. Confirmed. The diverter activated precisely as expected.
The verification is successful on all stacks. Excellent. Proceed with packaging.
After production, Norway's currency is stored here under the strictest control. Advanced systems ensure complete accountability and readiness for distribution.
The sequence highlights the technological sophistication behind modern currency logistics. Every container of Norway's 1,000 NOK
This modern Scandinavian facility, the crucial task of distributing the nation's currency begins. This framework connects production, distribution, and digital systems, supporting commerce and economic stability throughout the country. From raw fiber to economic circulation, the banknote represents a remarkable achievement of modern currency manufacturing.